Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this lecture we will study active and passive elements. So, first of all, what is active element? Active element is an element which delivers energy or power to the circuit. Okay, so an active element has negative slope of Vi characteristic. It means it has negative resistance. Now, what are the example of active element? That is current and voltage source. Okay, so current and voltage source are the examples of active element. These active elements have negative slope of Vi characteristic and negative resistance, while a passive element consumes power or energy in a circuit. Example of passive elements are resistor, inductor and capacitor. They have positive slope of Vi characteristic. See, if a characteristic is given and you have to find whether the element is active or passive, then how you can find it? Okay, so to find it, we have to see the slope of characteristic, or we can say that I tell you a very simple method for this. If characteristic lies in this quadrant and this quadrant, then element is passive. And if element lies in these two quadrants, then element is active. Okay. So these three characteristics are given and we have to tell whether the element is active or whether the element is passive. First see this characteristic. In this characteristic has positive slope. Okay, first method is this, it has positive slope, it means it is a passive element. Okay, and we can also see from here that this characteristic lies in this and this quadrant, that's why it is a passive element. Now see the second characteristic. In this characteristic, this equation lies in this quadrant and this quadrant. Okay, this straight line lies in these two quadrants. And second, we can clearly see that it has negative slope. Negative slope means negative resistance. It means it is a active element. Okay. Now see the third one. In this third, we can see that characteristic lies in this quadrant. Okay, so when characteristic lies in this quadrant, it means it is a passive element, and we can also see here that it has positive slope, that's why also it is a passive element. So in this way you can easily identify a characteristic as active and passive. So I hope you understand this concept.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.